2 people are dead and 4 remain missing in floodwaters after Bali was lashed by heavy rain. Buildings have been washed away into river rapids, and tonight key roads around the international airport remain closed, leaving tourists stranded.
On the river, and then suddenly in it. Foundations washed away after nearly 2 metres of rain was dumped in Bali in 24 hours. The island's capital, Denpasar, copped it the most, waterways spilling over. Streets and businesses swallowed, and the local hospital without power. The road to the airport a no-go zone, leaving desperate tourists stranded.
So what we'll be doing is we'll be walking towards the airport.
Rescues have been widespread. Officials say the floodwaters have claimed at least 2 lives. Locals, including a pregnant woman, swept away. Whoa. This was the scene near Kuta this afternoon. Roads still cut off. An inflatable boat carrying shoppers down the street. Supplies carted around on surfboards. Wet season doesn't officially start until October. The early deluge catching people off guard.
This is, I think, the 7th time we are in Bali, and we never had this flood ever.
Crews trying their best to get things cleaned up and the tourist hotspot moving again. James Wilson, 9 News.